morning. Today is going to be a fun day because I signed up to be a DoorDash dasher and I'm just really curious about how the process is. And I just got my first dash. It's super close to me. It's Broadway Bagel. Here I am. Let's go pick up the first order. Thank you. I got it. This guy got an egg sandwich with bacon. First dash is complete. I got 2 more orders, but then I declined them. So now my acceptance rate is 25%. But it's okay. It's gonna go up because I accepted my second order. We are now on the bus going downtown. We are going to Daily Provisions. I have arrived at 78th Street. Time to pick up the second order. Ben and I actually photographed for this Daily Provisions location last year, I believe. So I was supposed to dash with my scooter, which was supposed to arrive 2 days ago, except it didn't. The updated delivery is on Monday. So I'm waiting for that so I can scoot around and be much faster. Right now I'm just taking the bus, train, walking. So yeah, I think this will just be my last dash of the day because my shift is over. It was only a half an hour shift. There's not that many slots open in Manhattan. It's very crowded. When I first joined, it was like, get on the wait list. But I'll keep checking back on the app because this was pretty fun. I want to do more of it. It's a good excuse to get out, take a morning walk, exercise. Last dash completed. Not gonna lie, I had fun doing the deliveries and I'm gonna be checking the app more often to see if I could pick up any more deliveries near me. Also, what a great way to get exercise because my Apple Watch was going off. It kept buzzing on my wrist like, you're almost going to close your ring and it's only 9 a.m. Alright, see ya later. Good afternoon. It is the next day and I'm so excited because I got another shift on DoorDash and today I'm gonna be dashing from 3:30 to 6 p.m. Okay, so yesterday I forgot to mention like the prices and the tips and all that, but today I'm gonna be super transparent and tell you everything, all the dash summaries and monies made in Manhattan. Okay, so the first stop is the Tang, and apparently this will be $7.25 for this order. Here's the Tang. Alright, let's go pick up the food. Thank you so much. Ooh, fast pickup. Alright, let's head and drop off. Let's see, let me find out. Amazing. You guys saw how fast that pickup was, right? I just walked in and they gave me the bag. So right now it's either a 15-minute walk or I could take the train one stop, which I would do just that because taking the train is faster and I have an unlimited Metro card. Thank goodness, I'm so happy about my unlimited Metro card. So yes, I will see ya later. Heading up now. Hi, here's your. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. Alright, so here's the summary for that. The DoorDash base pay was $4.25, the customer tip was $3, so total we get $7.25 for that experience. Alright, let's see what the next one is. Oh yes, so that order that we just delivered started 3:30, it delivered like 3:55, so it took 25 minutes for $7.25. So hopefully something better later. Ooh, is this far? Is this close? I don't know. A little far. I don't know. I'll decline it for now. See, let's see. Anything good? Ooh, mocha. That sounds yummy. Is this good? I don't know. Alright, I just declined like 10 orders, but I finally accepted one. This one I accepted because the store and the house are right near each other. Something is happening there. Just walk past that. Like 2 people fighting. Oh my god. I don't want to miss my bus though. The bus is taking too long, so I'm gonna go to the train again. Got a big order from Symposium. Let's head down to Riverside Drive. Hey look, this is the area where Ben fell into the fountain when it was Tropical Storm Elsa. It was running like crazy. So hot. Thank goodness for this AC. Thank you. I'm waiting for the elevator to arrive so I could go all the way to the top. Delivery complete. DoorDash pay, base pay was $4 and tip was $4, so the total was $8. Thank you, done. I had another little AC break. Now I accepted this $8.75 order. We are going downtown, back on the 1 train. We're heading to Arco Cafe to pick up some items. I found it. Alright, let's go in. Thank you. Bye bye. Alright, here's the order. I'm waiting for the bus now. It is so hot. This person ordered quite a lot of food. Now let's see how much this order makes at the end of the delivery. I'm in a Walker building, walking upstairs, no elevator. Okay, and heading back down. Very quick drop off. Delivery complete. Base pay $5.75 and customer tip $3 for a total of $8.75 for that order. Okay, 5:09. I think I have time for maybe 1 or 2 more orders. Alright, I accepted this $7 order from Chick Chick. Just gonna walk there because it's pretty close. I love that. I love those orders where I just have to walk a few blocks to pick up. And then I think I still have to take the bus uptown, but it's okay. It's not that bad, this one. I declined so many orders already, so I was like, I'm just gonna get this one because it's so close to pick up. Chick Chick, very cute. I think they sell chicken here. Can I pick up an order from DoorDash? Thank you so much. Alright. Oh, I love how these stores are so quick. It's awesome. Oh no, there's my bus. Wait for me. Note to self for future dashes. Bring water. It's been 2 hours, so with no water. And also bring a phone charger because right now I'm at 20%. It will last, but just I wish I had more battery in my phone. And I'll add on to the list as I think about it. But yes, water and phone charger, super important. The good thing though is that I did not forget my hair rubber band and I did not forget my monthly Metro card. So important. I don't see the bus coming. Do you see the bus coming? No buses. I think it's late. I think we are going to go walk it. I can't wait for the scooter to come. I don't know. I don't really recommend taking the bus, waiting for the train. That will not maximize your time, your earnings. So now you know. Now I know. I have arrived and there are so many floors in this building. I've been in this building 3 times this past week for other stuff. This is my first time because of DoorDash. Alright, I'm gonna show you. The base pay was $3 and the tip was $5 for a total of $8. Thank you. Woo! This is a good one. Well, actually, the $5 tip is good. This is another $3 order. No. This might be the last dash. We're going to Chipotle. There are 2 orders I have to pick up here for 2 different people. Alright, let's go! I love Chipotle. Awesome. So one of them, DoorDash base pay was $3, tip was $2 for $5. Waiting for the elevator. 1 more order to go. This Chipotle order is also going to someone in the same building. Ready to check the stats? Alright, so I dashed for 2.7 hours, start time 3:20, end time 6:04. So in 2.7 hours, I got 6 deliveries and earned $42. Ding, 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 ding. So before the last 2 orders, I was below minimum wage, but I think this kind of makes me like right at minimum wage. My math isn't so great, but that's the summary. Alright, I'm back home and I'm gonna tell you then how much I earned.
How much did you earn?
6 deliveries. Guess how much I earned?
$30.
More than 2.5 hours.
Okay. $60.
Okay, I got $42.
Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good.
I was thinking, oh, it's a little bit more than minimum wage.
Yeah.
And it's not like the best, but it's great. It's great for what it is because you get to exercise and it's fun. It's like Pokemon Go. Except you earn.
That's true.
Okay, I gotta go to my next order
you
now.
order?
Yeah, I actually signed up for another shift because I'm a little obsessed with this.
Okay, good luck. Stay safe.
My next order is at 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. This is a pretty hefty bag of dinner. I'm actually heading to the train station to meet them. Delivery complete. $3 base pay, $3 tip, $6 total. Smelling all that food in this video made me hungry. So it's time for me to order my own food and also pick up my own food. Alright, so we're going to Metro Diner. Picked up my food. Dashing in the evening time is so much better. It's 7-Eleven right now and it's not hot. It's awesome. And the next place we're going to is Pearls. This was a pretty fancy restaurant inside. It was fancy Chinese food. Hi.
Hello. Thank you so much.
Oh, this is a good one. $3 base pay, $5 customer tip for a total of $8. Thank you. I'm heading to Awadh Indian restaurant to pick up one item. This order took so long. No contact delivery, done. Complete. Oh, there's no service here. Now that delivery was not worth it. $3 base pay, $2 tip, and that was $5 for about half an hour of time. Now this is a great pickup. 16 handles, and I just gotta go a block down. I love that. That's my favorite type of order. Pick up 1 block away and deliver 1 block away. Just like my first order at Broadway Bagels. I wish they were all like that. $3 base pay, $2 tip, $5 total.
Okay, she's have to drink some water for this.
Yeah, we're gonna exercise.
Alright, let's see. This is like her 3rd shift, her 2nd day, and she's addicted.
Yeah.
Can't stop checking her phone. And here's the sweetgreen.
I have to click arrived at store. And now I'm gonna go pick it up.
Alright. So that's pickup, right?
Yeah.
So pickup is done. How do you fight the urge of walking with all these good food?
Oh my gosh, today I picked up some chicken. Like, it smells so good. But you know how the nose gets quickly accustomed to the smell? So I found it really fast. This one doesn't smell because it's salad.
So for this one, how far were you delivering to?
3 blocks away.
3 blocks away. And do you know how much you're getting paid for this?
$8.50.
Holy moly. That's almost as much as a salad. Are you scared delivering food as a girl?
No, I think this area is pretty safe. I'm not scared of delivering here. Even at night. See, it's so dark, but it's nice.
So Ming is putting on her mask, about to go into this building by herself.
Right.
Good luck.
Left it at the door, and I'm gonna ring, and I'm gonna go. That's it. Ooh, oh my gosh, I got peak pay, $2.50. So $3 base pay, $2.50 peak pay, and $3 tip for $8.50 total. Nice. Let's go show them this. There's a peak pay added. So today, all of them only had the base pay. I had no peak pay, and this is an extra $2.50. That's why it's $8.50 for this order.
So $8.50 for 3 blocks.
Yes.
Not too bad.
It's awesome. I tipped $3.
Did you see the owner?
I didn't. It was just no contact delivery. So I just put it there and took a picture and then rang the doorbell. And then I went to the elevator and then the guy opened the door. Thank you.
That's fun. Did you say you're welcome?
Of course.
Oh, okay. Nice. Alright, Ming, you just told me that your shift ended?
Yeah, 9:30. It ended 9:32 right now. Nice. I'm glad you were able to see my last shift. That was a good one. Let me show you my earnings. Okay, so yesterday and today, right? $114, and my active was about 5 hours. And then I guess the other few hours I was just chilling at home eating dinner and waiting. I don't know.
5 hours active, that means you're actually delivering for 5 hours?
Yeah, like waiting at the store and then delivering.
So the average is about $22, $23 an hour?
Okay, yeah. yeah. What do you think?
Not too bad.
Not bad. I got my exercise in. It's great. It's great.
Yeah. Now we cook 4 appetizers.
we good.
So is this the end of it, or you got more?
This is the end of today, but I'm so excited to do more. I'm excited to do more. I'm gonna end it for now because, and as I was saying before, my electric scooter is coming. So I hope I can get more
You're gonna be
deliveries.
unstoppable.
Yeah, this is just walking in with some trains and buses. So I'm excited to take you along on my journey, and maybe Ben will come too. And you want a DoorDash?
Maybe one day.
Yeah, it's fun.
I mean, I'll try it.
Yeah.
I'll try it just to try it.
It's very fun actually.
I don't want to be addicted.
I'm addicted.
All right, more to come.
Peace.